I am Mr. S.V. Singh, Eologist. My mentor, Lord Sadhanand Maharaj, belongs to Patna, Bakhtiarpur, Bihar. One day, a devotee asked a question: what is the existence of astrology? There are many waves consisting in our society. Indians are world level. My best friends, I came up with the topic of existence of astrology. I am Mr. S.V. Singh, especially known as translator of Sudhanandji Maharaj. He has narrated deeply what is the basic base of astrology. Undoubtedly, astrology is nothing. There are many regions in the word, dictionary, and historical point of views. Astrology is a method of experience. As we know, all Hindus, religions, philosophy divided in many parts. For example, 4 Vedas, 18 Puran, 6 scriptures written in old Sanskrit. A lot of people don't know how to read and how to write. It is major point. The result of education is in few commands. That is called astrologer. He is symbolized of Pandit. He has out of well qualified. It is a group of cheater. They had followed many attractive methods of predicted. They had checking his hands, forehands, and names. Why it is no related point of zenith? They had rumored and looted uneducated people. Common people confirmedly believed what has he said, all is right. Natural events, sun or moon eclipses. As we know, moon and sun eclipses are common phenomenon. A lot of people didn't know what it means. He comes up at the ground of landlord, also misused of his rank, misleaded and to feared death of his son and all family. Its events are portulist, either our peril for other, collect of mass, neither for astrologers, especially family. Generally, a common people who didn't know what is astronomy And what is old Sanskrit? It's so beneficial market of a astrologer. It is very famous quotations from Yatharth Gita, work is worship. It is right. Hindu theology believed in work, not in dreams. Actually, astrology followed many rituals, factors, it's only cheating. It's very famous story of Napoleon Bonaparte. No any sign of his hand. Astrologer predicted your life is nothing. But he has very ambitious person. He proved himself and became a ruler of Germany and famous in the whole world. There are many stories in historical views. For example, Lord Krishna in Yatharth Gita. He knew Kauravas never accepted given to 5 villages to Pandavas. But he went there, asked, but is no success. Omniscient has power. What is the present? What is the future? He has power to guess what is right and what is wrong. In Ramcharitmanas, the introduction of Tulsidas. When Tulsi was born, he called out Ram. There are many cheaters in all society. A group of cheaters to blame. He is full person and out of village because his parents has debt. A names of Chunni brought up him. After some times, she has debt. In childhood, he called up Ram. That it's symbolize hence he is a great of man. But the cheater is not accepted. Tulsidas said, work is worship. He has not accepted existence of astrology. Thank you so much.